Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking to our brothers and sisters in diaspora. Please, especially our sister, please, no matter what will happen in your marriage, no matter what the pain you will be going through in marriage, no matter how will happen at the end, or if you have give birth to children for a man, and the man now say, my sister, due to one or two things, argument, complaint, the separation now come. Please, my sister, please don't deny your husband not to see their children, because it's very important. You understand? It's very important. The man aspect. Please, if you are in the right position, that you and your woman are divorced, please don't keep the children away from the woman. Likewise with the woman. I know in this part of Europe, it's only a woman that took her children away from the man. Please, my sister, I'm using this opportunity, I'm using this advice, I'm using this medium to advise our sister in diaspora. Please, no matter what will happen, no matter how the pain may take you, no matter how the man have treated you, please don't deny your children away from their father. Don't deny your children away of their father. Let those children be seeing their father, because you don't know what will happen at the end. You understand me? Because may God forbid that something occur, that they need the presence of this man, and then you as a mother, you are not there, or you are in the point of you cannot identify any person again, or you cannot identify your children again, and they now say, okay, since you now tell the authority that you have, they have a father, and at the end they now call their father and say that those children, they now call your children that you know this man, and the children now say that I don't know it. You see that the children have gone away from you. They will take the children away from you because the children could not identify their own father, because the cause of them not to identify their own father is because of you. You denied those children their father access to them. Please, it doesn't take anything away from you. Please, no matter what will happen, please let those children to be seeing their father. Let those children to be seeing their father. The man cannot take away the children away from you, no matter what will happen. The man, even though you with the man separate, you are no longer in a good term. You are no longer in one place. Please don't deny your children access not to see their father, because this life we are is a life of 50-50. You don't know what will happen. There's some issue that just passed in Germany not quite long. When this woman was like, the woman was in the state of death, and they now call the man that the woman now said to the authority that my children, they have a father, and then later in the day they now call their father to call for the children to identify the children. What happened, my sister? The children tell the authority they don't know this man. You understand? The children has been taken away with the authority. Who lose? You lose and the man lose. You understand? You lose and the man lose. The only property you acquire from this Europe is gone. The only property your family will have said, oh, this is the children of my daughter. You lose it because of grievances, because of the pain you put on in your heart, that I will not let those children to know their father. You are not doing them good. You are destroying them, my sister. Please, no matter what will happen, let those children have access to their father. Please, our men, please, if the opportunity is being given to you, please know what you will do as a man. Please, no matter what will happen, no matter what will happen, your wife will be separated. You and your wife will be separated. Take her as your ex. Always cherish your children, because you both, with those children, you both are already connected. No matter what will happen, no matter what will happen, always treat them. Give them what a father always gives to the children. No matter what. No, don't look what the government have been giving to them. Forget all those things. Don't look what the government have. The Bible says, what shall you profit a man? You gain the whole world and lose the soul. No matter what, don't look the money that the government have been giving to the woman. Always look at your children. Take good care of them. As a father, always take good care of your children. Please, my sister, this is the little advice I have for you people. Please, I want you to take it. Please, I want you to subscribe. Give a note, give like and share. When next time I'm online, they may notify you. God bless you. See you in my next video.